Did you have fun? Yes. It's nice to get out and enjoy the sunshine, huh? We just got done playing in the water, huh? And in the sand. Can you splash your feet? It was a lot of fun. Yeah. So we had a great day out in the sunshine, enjoying nature. Great day enjoying nature. I am just nursing Scarlett, giving her a drink before we go to head home, trying to get her situated and satisfied enough to be able to go in her car seat without crying, so I can drive us home. Yes, I can drive us home. Yes. Thanks for watching our video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up and share it with those that you know, as well as subscribe to our channel to become part of our YouTube family.